Hello friends. So today I will talk about Angular animations, like how you can add animations in Angular project, like how you can use keyframes. Like as we know, we have keyframes in CSS, which are basically used to add animations. So yeah, so let's deep dive into how you can add the transitions, triggers, and animations using Angular. So as we know, Angular also provides the package uh, which has capabilities to add animations. So what we will go through today. So let me show you what we are going to achieve. So how we can implement any keyframe, like what on which element we want to add, and how you will define the keyframes, how you can use those keyframes. So I will discuss all those things today. So I told you, like the Angular provides a package. So this is under the Angular. This animations, they provide these utilities: animations, trigger, transition, style, animate. So you can define your keyframes with your component shell. So firstly, what you need to do, firstly, as we know, firstly we need to define the animation. Like firstly we define, like, suppose on so here the case that I consider, like suppose there is any element, so we want to add animation on it. So when user loads this app, how it how it looks like. So if I show you here, so if I reload, so if you see, so you see here, so there is some animation it show. So if you like, it will looks like that. So we are going to implement this thing today. So firstly, we identify this, like we need to add this transition. So how we can add this transition? Like on enter, we need to add this opacity 0. Then we will take 1 second break, and then we will make the opacity 1. Then means it will be visible to the user then. Okay, so how you can write this thing? So firstly, what you need to do for this? Firstly, you need to define an animation for it. So for defining animation, so we have this bounce. So firstly we define the animation, like how this transform property, these all those things, and how and after how much time it will be visible to the user. So if I show you in the code now, firstly what we need to do, firstly we need to define the animation. So here we define the keyframe, this bounce. Then we have this host element. Under the host element, what we have, we consider that keyframe. And then we have taken this 2 second, then we have infinite. So this is the properties that we have. Host elements is basically a parent element, the top element on which we are adding this animation. And under the code file, what we have done, so here we are triggering this animation. So here, if you want to add this animation, so we need to add it on the element. So here I am adding it on the my block, on my div block. So on enter, we need to add this animation, this style animate. So this is how you can implement the animation part. So I also mentioned here, like you can define and use keyframes in a component shell using Angular stacks encapsulation mechanism. So here we are using encapsulation mechanism. And so what steps we follow? Firstly, we define the keyframe. Then we apply that in the animation to the host element using the host selector. So we are using animation API for building this complex application. So and also if you want to configure this Angular material in your project, so what you need to do for it? So let's go to this. So here what we have, so here we firstly means you need to import this animation module so that the animations will work. And also we define a, okay, so we created a new component, so we define that component also here. And apart from it, uh, yeah, so we can see the packages also. So means these are the prerequisite, like what things you need to. So the animations will come by default, so you do not need to worry about anything. So this is how you can implement. So if I show you now, so I told you, so this is the, there are two steps only. So if I do this, so you can see the animation now. If I comment this animation, if I remove this animation, so let me comment. So now you can see the difference, what animations we have added. So now if the page reloads, you can see it will directly reload the page. So if you see here, there is not any animation. So this is a good feature. You can make more engaging website with this, and it also improve the user experience. So this is all about keyframes, transitions. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.